Yes, I'm just turning on the stove now. It won't be long, the water's heating up.
Yes, the water's perfect for her bath. Oh, she's just crying a little. Oh dear, what if something goes wrong tonight?
Mommy, it's too hot.
Oh, sweetie, let's get you out. Shh, my little one. It's all right. Quiet now. Shh, it's okay. Let me see.
It hurts, Mommy.
I know, sweetie. It's going to be all right.
Oh, you won't believe what happened next.
It's so cold in here.
The ice is spreading. I can't move anymore.
Oh no, my kid! I need to get to the fridge now! Please, be in here! Oh, sweetie, you must be freezing. Don't worry, I'll melt this ice. Hurry, I'm freezing! Hold still, I'm getting you out!
It's so hot.
Oh, sweetie,
I love you, Mommy. Mwah.
I love you too.